Today I'll show you a traditional Italian baked Dentex fish recipe. Dentex and potatoes, Italian cuisine. Gilthead sea bream. It is a very lean fish, practically fat-free. First of all, clean the fish. Descale it carefully to clean it thoroughly. Rinse it under running water. Slice the potatoes thinly. Soak the potatoes in cold water for 10 minutes. Dry the potatoes well with kitchen paper. Extra virgin olive oil. Salt. Extra virgin olive oil. Salt the fish well on all sides. Fresh parsley. Garlic. Cherry tomatoes. Fresh parsley. Extra virgin olive oil. Baking paper soaked in water and squeezed. Aluminum foil. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Enjoy your meal. Leave a comment and subscribe to the Italian Food channel. Watch my upcoming videos. There are many interesting traditional Italian recipes on my channel. I wish you health and good luck. See you in the next videos.